Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw your Docs coin from your Telegram wallet and send it over to your Binance account. Let's get started. First, open up your Telegram wallet. Scroll down just a bit and make sure you have some Docs coin available. Once confirmed, tap on Docs. Now tap on send, then choose external wallet. Next, we need to grab our Docs coin deposit address from Binance. So open the Binance app, tap on wallet and then choose a spot. Tap on deposit and hit the search bar at the top, type in Docs. For the results, tap on Turn as the network. Make sure you note this. Both the addresses and the memo are required to complete the transaction properly. Tap OK. The copy Docs address provided by Binance. Now go back to your Telegram wallet, paste the address and tap continue. Enter the amount of docs you want to send. You can choose max or type specific amount like 3000 docs. Tap continue again. Now it's time to enter the memo. This step is very important to avoid losing your funds. Head back to Binance, copy the docs memo and return to Telegram to paste it. Quick reminder, the transaction fee is currently USD 1600 worth of docs. Once that's done, tap confirm and send. If you have passcode enabled, enter it and that's it. Doc has been sent. Tap done, then wait a few seconds. Now switch over to Binance and tap the icon at the top to check the deposit history. And that it is. Your Docs coin has arrived in your Binance account. Simple as that. If this video helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.